I haven't really seen any. There's been no impact on my practice from ChatGPT. Um, I'm very enthusiastic about AI replacing therapists actually one day, but it's a long, long way from there because at the moment it can't actually, well, first of all, it lacks the training data, and that would take years. Um, secondly, um, secondly, it doesn't have the presence. It's not able to. It's only conscious really of the data you give it at the time in one Q&A cycle. So, clients may go on ChatGPT alongside um, and before having therapy, but it doesn't have any impact in my experience on the therapy sessions. I've never had a client say to me, well, that can't be right because ChatGPT said X, Y, or Z, um, or that ChatGPT disagrees with with their own assessment of their situation, or it's suggested something which is counter to what I've suggested, or anything like that. Um, Interesting topic, but no impact yet, I'd say.